Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video about the yen index and upcoming yen trades. Upcoming tonight yen trades, what we're going to have because of this index. So let me show you how this index works and how lucrative it is if you can learn and follow. All right, so now this is my 33-minute chart. This is for the analysis. It's a bigger chart, like a 4-hour chart, right? And for the direction and for the trade, entering into the trades or the turning points, precise turning points, I use this 20-minute chart. Yesterday I made the video and I showed these 20-minute chart saying that it's going to make the turn around 61%, possibly, right? And look for long if that happened. That is the key. We don't know if the news is coming out today, this morning, a lot of red news, right? So anything can happen, right? So what happened? It didn't make the turn and it dropped even more to 78%. You see this fib is drawn here, 78%, this level here, 64.14, big level on a weekly chart. I think it's a monthly chart, right? And then the next big level is this, right? So now, the key, I forgot, I made that video in a hurry and I forgot to tell you that until on this 20-minute chart, you have a reversal candle, don't think of changing the direction into the in the pairs. For example, right here, let me open up a little bit. So you see this reversal candle, after this reversal candle ends when the red candle started. One more red candle. Now you know that the turn happens already. Now you look for short in yen pairs. I hope it's clear. Before that, don't bother, because if it's posting, the yen index is posting blue candles, only look for long. Now let me show you only this week what happened when it was going up and then when it started to come down. What did I do using this chart and how many trades that I have on yen pairs? Okay, let me just show you first, and then I'll show you the see this on the first. It was still going up. The turn happened exactly right here is like on the second, right? But you see it here, the second, even if you got, but here in the first, see the first May still it was going to the upside. And then on the day, May 2nd, it made the turn, right? So keep that in mind and see that when it was going to the upside, May 1st, I had this entry here, which was on the 28th, last Friday, into the Monday, and it was on Friday, continue going to the upside. Aussie yen, look at that, 130 pip. CAD yen, the same thing on last Friday, which was 28. The index was going to the upside. I got this entry going up for 120 pip. USD yen, 65 pip. That's from 7-minute chart. 7-minute chart, it looks big, but then pips are not that big, right? So yeah. 20-minute chart, a trade like this big is for 150 pip, but here is only 70 pip. But nice entry. This was entry here. See, these are the entries. Beautiful entries. As long as the indexes keep going to the upside, this is what you do. This is not now see on the third, the yen index made the turn on the second, right? You see that? This is second, May 2nd. Look at the date in the bottom here, right here, and you can see the date, right? Second, and I start taking the entries from third and fourth, right? So what I did, how many yen pairs? Short side on third and fourth. Third, pound yen, see, it made the turn, drop. I missed this one, by the way. This is a beautiful one. But, you know, sometimes you sleep and, you know, just pound yen. Now, Aussie yen, 90 pip, short on the third. On the third, CAD yen, short. Only based on that 20-minute chart. It's USD yen, 100 pip, short. One day on third. And then you see, I don't have any euro yen today on fourth. Even though I said in my previous video that I'm not gonna touch any short on yen pairs, but they were all dropping, and I said, well, you know what? I'm a little hungry, so you know, let me just eat a little sandwich or something. So I just took this one only. no other yen pairs, but but that's how it is. Now, what the heck? Okay, now, so see, these are the one. This thing coming down, right? Now on 78%, it made the turn, and now start to go up. Now you see what it is happening in the pairs. You can go and see on the 7-minute chart, but I'm going to show you just one, what's happening. And be ready in the volume time. If continue, then you have a beautiful entry coming in, and after that, more, maybe 20 minutes, a couple of 20 minutes. So let me show you that what is happening. This is happening right now. For example, this was pound yen, right? So I took the euro yen just like that, from here all the way down here. Sure, I could have taken this one, but I says no. I've just said, in my video, I said I'm not going to take it, so I'm not going to take it. I'll just show you the right thing and do the right way, as I mentioned in the video, right? So I just took one for my hunger, but euro yen, but not the others. The others went down as well. But now you notice that the index made the turn, 20-minute reversal candle is in place, and a couple of blue candles. And what is happening? We are already in the 7-minute chart is on the bullish territory, and beautifully going to the upside, making this like long. And the volume time is going to be like gone. Then it will come down, and then it will make the 20-minute setup. And then you take that from the 20-minute chart, you can take, like right now, the 20-minute is like this, no setup, right? But this is creating your 7-minute entry. It will go up here somewhere, and then it might drop a little bit, make the 20-minute entry, and then continue to go to the upside. All right. So this is what's happening. Make sure that you have your 20-minute and those charts ready, up and running, so you can take advantage. All right. It's happening now. The turn is about to happen. It's already started actually. Right, unless something happens and then it reverses, then fine, you don't make an entry in this time. Anyway, we wait for the London session, and in the London session, you make the entry. If the SL is only 20 pip, if it takes off, it's off, it's gone, right? You have several pairs moving, and you can pick up 70, 80, 100 pip in each trade. That's 300-400 pip in a day. But if it reverses, the first pair, try that. If it's going up, you can take another entries in other pairs as well. And what do you lose? 15, 20 pip. Most of the time, it's going to go up and then come back and hit your at break even, if that happens, right? So that happened to me a lot of times. My SL hit either break even or 5 pip, 10 pip. When if I make the entry here, for example, from the 7-minute chart, right? I make the entry here, let's say, for example, this is the setup, right? So from here to here, you see that? It is already 20 pip. So at 25, if my entry is here, my SL is here, I'll move my SL to break even. The price is here. It drops here and then it continue to go to the upside, fine. I'm going to survive. But if it comes back and hit my SL, okay, oops, next entry, one more. If it doesn't drop all the way, keep giving you the entry, keep doing the same thing. Okay, so what I was showing actually is that the 20-minute, and then by the way, the 33-minute chart is the reversal candle is still underway right now. The fib is there, the support is there. The 78% is the one that is stopping it, and this level 63.92 is a monthly number, monthly high. And if that continue going to the upside, man, last time from here to here, I had 18 yen trades, all big one, all long, every day, 3-4 trades, every day, 3-4 trades. Imagine same thing is going to happen here. Same thing happen here. Same thing happen here. Even this little drop, I had, good trades last week or day before last. So this is a long way to go. If we go, we might just go from 78% up here to 38% and then drop. So that's later. We will, worry about that later. But for now, the turn is going to the upside. If that happens, the volume time comes and it continue, going to the upside. We have plenty of yen trades in hand coming up. All right. So be ready. Like I said, that I can't, set up I don't know how to operate on the TeamViewer and this and that, but my son is, willing to do it. But it's time consuming, so he's gonna charge a little bit. But he will set up every single thing. If you need it, if for those who already have set up all the charts and this and that, that's fine. But he can go in your computer through TeamViewer and fix every single thing, load everything, indicators, templates, every single thing, weekly charts, index charts, and 20-minute, 40-minute, 7-minute. And he will also exactly tell you what need to be done exactly. Okay. So if you want, you can email. I think he sent out an email to all the subscribers. So if you need that help, then contact him. All right. And that's it. So I'm going to make this video public, leave other people to see what we are doing here, so that if they want to join, they join. And all of you, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video if you want. All right. So this is it for now. Hopefully we will have a blast tonight, and then coming up next week, Monday, Tuesday, we're gonna have yen pairs and have fun. Similar thing happens in yen Aussie index chart and Aussie pairs, like Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie. You know how they move big, right? And how I get them. Even today, there was something. Let me see. Not this one. Euro Aussie, small, but 80 pip, right? So yeah, they move because of this Aussie index. Aussie index also, when it moves big, and it moves the pairs big. That's why Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, they move out, a big pairs. Sometimes they give you like 150, 200 pip without any problem. So we're gonna learn that later on. All right. So be ready for tonight, and look this how nicely it is going. All yen pairs are doing the same thing. Pick and choose your liking. You like the pound yen or euro yen or USD yen or whatever. We have NFP tomorrow morning, so USD, be careful about that. USD is gonna move, and if USD gets strong, yen weak, imagine what USD yen is gonna do. It's gonna fly like F-16. All right. So be ready to hit all these yen pairs. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Stop recording. Okay.